Street Garage, welcome back. My name is Alex. We're here at Magnaflow once again, and I'm here with Zach. We're gonna be installing a competition series exhaust on the Hellcat Redeye. Zach, do you want to tell us a little bit about this exhaust?
Yeah, so this exhaust is a 3-inch mandrel bent system that we've designed to work exclusively with the 5.7, 6.2, and 6.4 Chargers from 2015 up to now. And what's awesome about this system is, unlike most systems that use the stock end tips, we're gonna be using all Magnaflow straight from the cat back. So stay tuned.
Let's get this exhaust unboxed. Let's get the car up in the air and let's get it installed. This thing open.
Let's check it out.
Oh man, Diddy. It's covered in baby oil. All right guys, so we've got the exhaust taken off of the Hellcat Redeye and we've got the Magnaflow competition series unboxed. There's a couple differences between these two. So first things first is the X-pipe. The X-pipe on the Attack series is, not Attack series, but the Borla Attack exhaust is further up and it's a little bit longer, while on the competition series Magnaflow exhaust, you've got a more pronounced X-pipe that's a little bit further back, and then it goes straight into 2 resonators instead of having just straight pipes all the way through. We're also gonna be adding the valves back in because this just has a dummy valve to where the valves don't actually do anything on this exhaust. So it's just straight piped at all times with this slight, it's kind of like a resonator that catches the sound so it's not as noisy. It's still really noisy. It also uses the factory tips. It just kicks them out a bit, but this one has Magnaflow's chrome tips on it and they look awesome. Like I said, you only get the resonators right here. The valves go here and then it's just straight through after that. So let's get this exhaust bolted up to the car so we can hear how it sounds.
Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not taught of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah.
All right, so typically this exhaust is fully bolt on, but with the exhaust that was on the car, it did get rid of the OEM valves. So what they're doing right now is they're re-adding the valves. They're doing some welding, they're doing some cutting to get those OEM valves back in there. You know, like I said, they were removed for the exhaust that was in the car. So here's some of that fab work.
Now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them.
You can see right here, there's some tack welds, there's some markings because they're legitimately re-adding the valves back into the car because they were removed, and it's gonna be as if they never did it. Once it's done and it's all welded up, we're not even gonna be able to tell that they did it, but it's cool to see the progress and, you know, all the effort that it takes to get those back in. So, let me get out of here.
It's like I got a flu. Yeah, run it up. I told him that I'm coming back, so let me get all of that. Time is now, I'm coming around to get a check. Said I need my taxes back. Over time, I'm getting mine to get in line, and it's with no respect. That I told him all about the ball, getting chips, feeling like Kobe Shaq. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them.
All right, guys, we just finished getting the competition series exhaust installed on the Hellcat Charger Redeye, and I don't know about you, Zach, but I'm really excited to hear how it sounds. So let's insert the before and after clips and let's do some flybys with this thing. All right guys, that's it. We've got the competition exhaust installed from Magnaflow and it sounds awesome. If you want to win this Hellcat Charger Redeye, make sure you tap that link in the description because we're giving this thing away, the red key plus $10,000 in cash, and we want you to be the next winner. So enter to win, and if you like this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys.